My name is Cathal Gurrin. I'm the Deputy Head of the School of Computing here at DCU, and I'm the Deputy Director of the ADAPT Centre. My favourite part of the job is using data science and artificial intelligence to solve real-world problems for people. Consider an old person suffering from Alzheimer's disease. How can we use modern computing technology, data science, understanding their lifestyle, to build tools to help them remember what they're doing in daily life and get through life in a better way? Using AI, you can solve real-world problems. You can build new tools and technologies to help people get through daily life, to help people find their way in a new city, to help people remember better, to help people translate language better. AI really is a platform upon which you can build a really, really cool career. The power of your personal data, if it's ethically used, will allow you to have a more healthy lifestyle, better education, better productivity at work, and live to longer, older age and be more happy and healthy. Did I ever see myself working in AI? When I was an undergraduate, AI wasn't even a topic that we studied very much. Now AI is a really hot, cool topic, and I'm really excited to work in this space.